What's up, squad? I am back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing something, but I'm not going to tell you that right away. What I want to say first is, if you haven't go check out my last unboxing video, I unboxed a fidget stick, which is pretty cool. And yeah, and if you're looking like I got a new angle of my room, it's because I rearranged my room. So, not much, but kind of a lot. I cleaned my room out like a lot, like clothes. I donated some clothes, some toys. So I don't have as much stuff as I had in my room as I did last time. So this is what my room looks like. So here's my bed, which I need to make again. Some, because we haven't finished all the way, so it's still kind of messy. But we have my games over here, and headphones, game system, TV, my Pepsi, and my art supplies, all my pictures on my wall. Over here we have more stuff. That's an air freshener if you're wondering. But yeah. And over here we have my closet, which I need to fix my closet door because it broke. But yeah, and shoes, my slides, pillows and blankets and stuff, and a whole bunch of stuffed animals. But yeah. But let's get back in our spot. And set my camera up like that. Okay. So what we're going to be unboxing today is a fidget cube. But yeah, so it's a fidget cube. So let's open it. It's hard to open. Wait, oh, there we go. You had to squeeze it like this and then twist. Like that. I might as well just break this. Jeepers. Alright. I don't know what's going on here. Why isn't it opening? Aha! We did it. So let's look at the paper. Oh gosh. Sorry about that, Pimentel Squad. Camera's falling. But yeah, let's get back into this video. So let's look at this. So as you can see, this goes, you put these in the bottom so it stands. Okay, let's read this. It says glider, but it says in different languages. It says spin. Over here it says flip. And then over here it says focus, breathe. Okay, and then it says roller. And then it says click, I mean. Okay, let's get into it. So here's the case. Alright, move that aside. Okay, so here's the fidget cube. Okay, so this must be the roll. This must be the click. Okay, this must be the glide. Alright. This must be the spin. This must be the flip. And this must be the breathe. Alright, so we figured out which one is which. Let's get into this video. Alright, so the spin does, it spins, And I like how this one spins, because if you look closely, there's gears. Yeah, right there. There's gears and it sounds cool. Okay, now let's go to the click. Yeah, I like this. It's cool. And then this must be the breathe, to just let your thumb be here and just you can like scratch at it or just rest your thumb there. And then this is the roll, the gears. Okay, and then this is another roll. And then it also does this. I think it does. Oh yeah, it does the clicking noise. It pushes down. Alright, what else did we miss? Oh, the glide. It's like a game controller, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. I like the game controller best because I'm a gamer, so I'm a gaming geek, so I like playing with the controller sticks a lot. So this is really relaxing. What did we miss? Oh, these. So I heard from other fidget cubes, only 3 of them click. So like it could be this one, this one, this one, or this one, this one, this. There's many ways, but I'm gonna find out which ones click and which ones don't. Let's try this one. Okay, that one clicks. Try this one. Okay, that one doesn't click. Try this one. Okay, that one, this one and this one click. It's a really quiet click, but let me. Okay, is it this one? Or is it this one? You guys decide. Which one is it? You decide. Right now in the comments. Do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys decide? Let's find out. Is it this one? Oh yay, it's this one. Because if you listen quietly, so these two, when you click them, they just pop back up. They don't make a noise, which can also be relaxing because it's like a bouncing. But yeah, I like this fidget cube a lot. I'm gonna be using this a lot because me have ADHD, so yeah, so I have a lot of fidget things. Like there's the fidget cube. Let me get some other things that I have. I have a fidget stick. Fidget spinners. Yeah, basically, I have ADHD, so these help me like focus. Like some of these are broken. Like where's it at? There it is. Ready? Look, it's broken. So Yeah. But yeah, I have ADHD, so I have all these different fidget toys because they help me focus. But yeah. See? That's what I'm talking about. I'm playing with the fidget cube behind camera because I can't focus. That's what I do sometimes before I make videos. Before I start recording, I play with a fidget, like not this because I just got this, but I'll take like my fidget spinner and I'll just spin it for a couple minutes to help me like focus and get in the zone to make a video. But yeah, and I will see you guys in the outro. Okay, Pimentel Squad, I am back, and as you guys heard, I do have ADHD, so yeah, and that's why I play with all these fidgets. People think, oh, fidgets are so out of style. They're like so 2016, but people don't know that I have ADHD, so they're just judging me because I have a fidget stick, or a fidget spinner. But yeah, I play with a whole bunch of fidgets. I'm gonna look into getting more fidget toys because they really help me focus, and like schools banned them from using them, but like my school, we're not allowed to use them in class, but my teacher knows that I have ADHD, so she lets me use them at certain times. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will still be posting, but I will be posting videos with my sister. Well, I always post videos with my sister, but I'm going to be posting videos with my cousin Jaylise and my cousin Jenna Lise. So yeah, look forward to more of those videos because they're coming, because I went to New York to visit them. Now they're coming back to Virginia with my grandmother and my sister. They're coming back to Virginia for 2 weeks. Like, I went to New York for 2 weeks. I came back early because I just missed like my mom and stuff. But yeah, I came back early. But tomorrow's the day when they come home. I will be home babysitting my baby sister with my grandpa while they're gone for 6 hours. One total is 12 hours because drive there and drive back. So yeah, but enough of me explaining. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's try to get this video to let's see, 13 likes. Yeah, and for some reason, if YouTube, you're not getting notified when I upload, is because you don't have the bell on. There's a bell and the YouTube channel right next to the subscribe. Make sure that says subscribed, and when it says subscribe, there's gonna be a little bell that is gray around but not white in the inside. It's white in the inside. Tap that bell and it will turn gray, and you will be notified when I upload my videos. So yeah, well, goodbye Pimentel Squad. I will see you in the next video.